So we're going to get a little bit more into the weeds of how to mix audio. And I mentioned previously that every single channel has these boxes on the side, and this is the signal flow. So for my vocal, or any vocal, we've got the home page, which is summary. Then we've got the channel input, trim, which we use pretty often, gain, which we've talked about before. Then we've got gate, EQ, compression, then these two effects inserts, which are not being used on my vocal. I would prefer if you didn't mess with it without talking to me, because we have limited effects on the soundboard that we can use. And so if anybody comes in and starts just tossing effects onto different channels, then what can be happening is that you're taking effects from other things that are already preset. And then in between those, you can see that little blue line, and that is the fader. So you can hear my voice going up and down. So that's the fader. So that's where the fader is in this signal process of audio. And then we've got sends and bus sends. So we're going to take a look at a channel I've created that has a snare loop playing through it. And it sounds like this. All right, so I'm not going to play that the whole time. But what we're going to do is we're going to look at specifically gate, EQ, and compression. So I'm going to do a separate video for each of these so that you can go through it, and we're going to use this snare sound. We can have a consistent sound coming through. And this is not what our snare sounds like on stage. This is just a loop from the internet, but it will suffice to kind of show you what each of these are going to do and how we can shape the sound to best fit what we're needing to do.